Oh shit.
On the Lake Ohio, open waters from Vermilion, Ohio.
SMW.
On the Lake Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles north of Lorraine Harbor to 17 nautical miles south of Huron, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lorraine Harbor, Western Vermilion, Geneva on the Lake, Vermilion, and Cleveland. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The near